Hey everybody, welcome back to another Meeple Peak board game video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a play-to-win game for my board game convention, Goblin Vaults. It is kindly donated by Thunderworks Games, and as I said, you'll be able to come down to my board game convention, March 15th, 16th, and 17th at the Fuji Park Exhibit Hall in Carson City, Nevada, and play it and get chances to win it. It has a player count of 1 to 5 people, ages 14 and up. The play time is 30 to 45 minutes, and the MSRP is $25. So, what I'm guessing you're doing so it says in the dark corners of Kublak prison, away from the prying eyes of the guards, you're likely to find inmates huddling together in secret, playing a game of Goblin Vaults. Cool. Let's open it up to see what it looks like. I've actually been looking forward to giving this one a try. I like the way you bid on cards with cards, and then the cards that you use to bid on the other cards with actually go into, I think the winning cards go into the tableau to be auctioned off in the next round, while the card that you won goes into your hand to use for bidding. I think. Don't quote me on that. I haven't got to play the game yet. I'm hoping to do a playthrough video of this with a friend and see how it works. And then we have a nice little catalog of their games. Goblin Vaults 1, but it's a tiny rule book. Good list of components. Straightforward. You have faction markers, first player markers, some gear tokens, and a bunch of cards and a score pad. That is straightforward. Well, that's nice. Gives you a good breakdown of what the card anatomy is. It gives you a good breakdown of what the card anatomy is and the goal card anatomy. Suit. The card value. Faction. Here, let's just look at them. Ooh, some tokens. One of the gears fell right out right off the bat. Oh, nice. Big wooden markers for the factions. Some silica. Those are cool looking. And then a score pad and a bag for cards, I'm imagining. Okay, so let's bust the cards open and we'll look at them together as we go through the loot card anatomy. So we have goal cards. Nice. Player reference, 5 of them. Thank you very much. 1 for every player. That is awesome. Some crazy blue cards. Factions. Some creepy looking goblins. I like them. We have 60 loot cards, which is everything else in the deck. One basic goal card. Two, three, four, five, six. Yep. So one basic goal and then 6 suit goals. Okay. So here, we'll just use this guy. We'll just put it right there. So it looks like. So this skull on this card, that is the card or the suit icon. The number right above it is the card value. The symbol in the middle is a faction icon. This symbol over here is the tier icon. So there's 3 tiers, as you can see, and this one is a tier 2. Number 5 is the suit illustration, which is cool looking. And then 6 is the block icon for this card. And then on the goal anatomy, or the anatomy of the gold cards, we got that one. So we have the suit icon up here. We have the card name, Secrets of Kublak. 3 is the requirements, which is this stuff here. 4 is the reward. And 5 is the example of the reward, it looks like. Cool. And then we have a couple of tokens. We have an angry looking goblin. That was my goblin impression. Bunch of gear tokens, which might be crying out for a 3D printed version I can add to the game. And as anybody who has been to my conventions knows, where this will go, this is going to go into a gigantor pile, and you guess the number, and there'll be some cool prizes. Guess the number of tokens that were punched out, and get some cool prizes. We'll put that back there. And that is pretty much it. That is Goblin Vaults. Please like and subscribe. Leave me any comments or questions down in the comment section. If you are going to be in Carson City, March 15th, 16th, and 17th, this convention will be going on at the Fuji Park Exhibition Hall, and it's a lot of fun. It's not a real big convention, but it is where everybody has a great time there. Thank you very much, and we'll talk to you next time. Bye.